Howdy folks, and welcome to another little short Ugly Dog Lure episode. Today we're going to talk about eyes. I probably have over 5,000 eyes in this box and on this table. Different styles that I use. I did get some new ones that I've never tried before. It's the guy called the Lure Eye Guy, and it's these lizard type eyes right here. And I'm really excited to use these and see what they look like. They seem to be really quality eyes. We're just going to try them and see. The rest of these eyes are all from a company called Shiniko, and I buy them like this rack right here. It's got 500 eyes on it. This one's got 300. This one's got 300. This one's got 300. This one's got 300. There's probably 50 on this one. There's 20 on this one. And this was a new eye that they sent me for free, just to see what I thought about it. And it's red and black, and it has a silver dot in it. It's a pretty nice eye. I like to try all kinds of different things. Y'all know that by now. So we're just going to see what these eyes here, these new eyes, will actually look like on the bait. We're fixing to paint one here shortly and put those eyes on it. But I just wanted to touch with y'all. I got everything from size 3 all the way to size 11. This is a size 11 here. This is an 11. And this right here is a 3.
I can't see that.
Right there is a 3. It's a little bitty tiny thing. And I've only got one bait that eye actually fits in, and I don't paint very many of them because they're tiny baits. So, you know, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, and more 5s. So folks, what these eyes have is they have adhesive on the back of them. You can see it sticking to my finger right there. And a lot of guys will glue that eye in, but I'm going to epoxy that lure real fast anyway, because I usually paint a lure and epoxy a lure all in the same little short time span. So I do not glue my eyes in. I let the epoxy, once I get the epoxy on that bait, that eye is glued in. That's 2.5 ton epoxy. It's going to take a act of Congress to get that eye out of that bait. But you know, it's like I said, like this bait, these right here, these are Shiniko eyes, and they're nice eye. They're a black eye, and I like these eyes a lot, and I only use this eye on certain baits, but you know, I have them here if I need them. Let's see, what else can we talk about?
Sometimes they come with the lures when you order them.
Yeah, every once in a while when I order the lures, they'll send me free eyes with them, but it don't happen very often. There's another eye company out there called Rock Island that I've bought a lot of eyes from. And I like their product very well too. But I buy what I can find, and right now I can't even find epoxy. It's getting tough to even find that epoxy right now, folks. But you know, it's just a short little video to kind of introduce y'all to some of the stuff I do and some of the products that I actually buy. My wife gets tired of me buying stuff. She's over there going like this, folks. I'm watching you. But you know, my little company pretty much stands on its own feet, so it don't cost us much out of pocket. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad to have you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. My name is Charlie. Most people call me Goose. Some people call me Grandpa. You know, it depends on who you are as to what you call me. And I really don't care as long as you don't call me late for fishing. So, but you know, this is not really about money for me. It's about me doing something with my time besides watching freaking TV. Because I don't do computers, I don't play games, I don't do none of that crap, folks. I just like to watch myself paint lures. It gets me and the wife out of the house and into the shop. And we have spent a lot of time together out here with her going, "You're not looking at the camera, you're not looking at the camera." You know how that is. But you know, if I was smart enough, I could leave a link below where I found these lizard's eyes. My wife might be able to do that, but I ain't doing that. She'll leave a link below. And these are pretty cool eyes, and they weren't that expensive. I think this whole thing was $3.39 plus $1 shipping. So $5 for that little old thing. I really like them. I think they're going to be cool. They're going to make some really cool different baits that we're going to paint. So you folks have a blessed day, and I'll catch you later.